Hi, I'm Jenny, and today we're going to talk about the smoothie diet. It's special for us. We've prepared a full review video with everything you need to know before you buy. So please watch the full video. I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or buying the smoothie diet. The first thing you need to know about is, be careful about the website you are going to buy it from, because the smoothie diet is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. And if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, comment and leave your like, thank you. So, what is the smoothie diet and does it really work? And the answer is yes, it does. The smoothie diet is the complete 21-day weight loss and health improvement program with over 36 delicious smoothie recipes to replace meals and melt away fat. It even comes with a shopping list for each week to make it super simple and get everything you need, with lots of tips for making smoothies and a preparation guide to ensure you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your new confidence and energy levels. This diet is flexible. Even though the program is 21 days, you can keep using it as long as you want to lose as much weight as you want to and have from more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar and more, and just keep using everything you learn in the first 3 weeks to extend the program for the next few weeks or even months. Fresh, whole fruits as well as blended green smoothies not only provide a healthy way for diabetics to get more fruits and vegetables in their diet, but green smoothies can also help reverse some of the diet and lifestyle issues that exacerbate diabetes or contribute to the disease. The smoothie diet triggers a reaction of lifestyle changes that reduce or eliminate the factors that aggravate disease and reverse the condition in some individuals. This program is designed to be super simple and take a few minutes a day, with tips on how to cut costs to save a few extra minutes in preparing your smoothie. The recipes are quick to make and you can enjoy them right after preparing them or take them with you. The specific ingredients and nutritional properties are to maximize the effectiveness of this program and are not hard to find, and if they are, a complete swap list has been made that shows easy-to-use substitutes if you can't find something. All you need to do is substitute certain meals for the smoothies recipes and then watch as the pounds effortlessly drop off your body and your energy levels skyrocket. This is a completely digital product. You will not receive anything in the mail. Best of all, you will have access to it in minutes. You don't have to wait for anything to arrive on your doorstep. The files are in PDF format. After completing the purchase, you will automatically be directed to a page where you can download and view everything on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. For those who prefer a printed book, the Quick Start bonus is designed for that. It is a 20-page abbreviated version of the main guide that can be printed out and followed like a printed book. Along with the diet smoothie also comes the 3-day detox program. This is something you can do before you start the 21-day program to help clear the cobwebs and prepare your body for the best results. It can also be used whenever you want to lose a few pounds fast or reset your health after getting off the track, like on vacation for example. Plus it comes with a quick start guide to get you started right away, without having to read the longer basic guide. It is a condensed version of the main guide that contains the 3-week schedule, shopping lists, preparation guide and smoothie recipes. This is a quick list of things to do that will help you start enjoying the benefits of the program from the very first moment you download it. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results. Even the official website contains some testimonials from customers who have used the smoothie diet, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that every body will react in a different way. This is a bit obvious, but I am telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test it 60 days, and if you don't see results or you don't like it for any other reason, they will give you your money back. So be safe to use, but make sure you're buying from the official site to ensure warranty benefits and bonuses. Also, for the smoothie diet to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and really get a bit frustrated. It is also important for you to know that the smoothie diet has no side effects because it is natural. For more information, please visit the official website. So, I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful about the website you are going to buy the smoothie diet, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that the smoothie diet will help improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Don't forget to leave your like and comment if you liked the video, if you want to receive more content like this. Subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video, see you later, bye.